making elephant toothpaste. And I'm here with Weston Dragon. Say hi, Weston.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Okay, so first we're gonna put the half a cup hydrogen peroxide. Yeah, you want help?
I know I need help.
Okay,
I need help.
there we go. And next we're gonna do 15 drops.
What do you do?
15 of these.
Let me do it. I do it.
Okay, we count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Close enough. Next, we're gonna put the soap.
Okay, let me do it.
So that's a quart, or it's, how much is that? 1 tablespoon of soap. Put it in there.
Then the butter.
There.
And
Now we do a little mixing. We have a teaspoon of yeast, 3 tablespoons of water. You put the water in there, Weston. All of it. Good. Now we gotta mix it up.
okay.
Whoa, stir, stir, stir.
And now?
A little more.
Yep. Okay.
All right.
Okay, now
So we're gonna pour that in there and see what kind of reaction happens.
I want to do it. I want to do it. Again. Let me do it. I want to go in. Not sure again. I'm not new.
This messy work, eh?
Yeah, let me do it.
Okay, I'll let you do it.
Not you. Not the one. No. I'm not got it. I got it. I know me do it.
Yeah, this stuff is thick.
Let me do it. I want to do it. Ah. It's tea. That's fine. Dip in the oil.
Dicky. Here,
Okay.
we'll pour it in and see what happens.
I want to do it.
Whoa! Look at that, it's awesome! Each tiny bubble made in this foamy experiment is filled with oxygen. The yeast acts as a helper. It removes the oxygen from the peroxide. Since it did it fast, there's lots of bubbles. Yeah, that's a cool reaction. Don't eat elephant toothpaste though, it doesn't taste very good. Hey, we're doing another experiment here with Weston the Dragon. Put our safety glasses on. Here we go. We're gonna add our colors into the baking soda.
Yeah.
I'll start yellow. Some in there. Good. What color next? It's this one.
Okay.
What color is that?
Green.
Green next, yeah.
Okay, I
Green in
got
that one.
No.
Good.
And blue?
Blue now? Okay. Blue in the empty one. Good job.
That no. And
Last color.
blue.
What's this?
No red.
Red.
I want red.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
That's good.
And water.
Yeah, now that's vinegar.
Let me do it.
We're gonna do it quick.
Let me do it. I want to do it.
Color explosion. Ready?
I want to do it.
Wow.
Forward.
That was awesome. What do you say? That was awesome.
That's awesome.
Good job.
Wait, tea wanted that?
Oh, we can't drink it.
Fine.
That's just colorful. Come back for another experiment.
I want to eat it. I want to eat it. I want to eat it.
Here for an experiment with magic milk. Got food coloring and milk. Ready to see what it does? Weston the Dragon.
My name's
Yeah, here we go. Got the soap on the Q-tips. You want to help?
Yeah.
I'll put this side in. See what it does.
Oh.
That look cool, hey? Magic milk.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yep. I do that.
Go.
Yeah.
What do you say?
I'm not put on the ground. I see my shoe. I see my shoe. It's a monkey. I see my shoe.
Hey kids, our next experiment with Western Dragon, we're going to show you how rain is made in clouds. So, Weston, you want to start? We'll put the water in the cup.
Yep.
Pour that in there. So the water will represent the air. The air in the earth.
Yes, Papa.
The shaving cream will be the clouds.
Yep. What did you do?
Do it? Yeah, we gotta push the button.
Woo!
Wow!
Shaving!
There's our fluffy clouds, right?
What did you do?
Yeah.
And what have I now?
We have the air, we have the clouds. Now we're gonna put the rain
I got it.
through the clouds.
I got it.
Food coloring is gonna be the rain getting heavy. Oh,
Yeah, make
it's
it.
messy.
Okay.
So let me help.
I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, careful.
What happened?
Too much.
What happened? I did it.
The rain will get too heavy in the clouds and it falls down. And the rain comes into the atmosphere. So now it's raining.
I know anyway now too. I haven't.
It's raining in the cup. Is that awesome?
Yeah, we got pop down this time.
Yeah.
That's clean. We pop down.
See you next time.